Sedgwick County Sheriff's Office requires all applicants seeking the position of Deputy Sheriff to pass a series of physical ability tests. The tests are designed to evaluate the physical fitness, agility, and strength of the applicant. Here's what you can expect and what you'll need to do to pass the test. Wear clothes you can move in. T-shirt, shorts, or sweatpants work the best. And wear tennis shoes with good traction, no sandals. The first thing you'll be asked to do is push-ups. You will do as many as you can in 1 minute. Here is what a proper push-up looks like. Your feet should be no more than shoulder width apart, hands in line with shoulders, and hip and torso in a straight position. You'll be required to go all the way down within inches of the mat, or until the elbows are at 90 degrees, and then back up. Be sure to maintain a tempo during the test so each push-up is done correctly and counted. Next, you'll demonstrate a sit-up. Once again, you'll be asked to perform the maximum number of sit-ups in a minute. Here is what a proper sit-up looks like. Knees slightly bent, feet flat on the ground, and arms crossed over the chest. You'll then pull up from the mat until you are at or near a 90-degree angle, or when elbows are on the knees. Then back down. Only proper sit-ups will be counted. The third test is called the Illinois Agility Run. This is the timed course. You'll begin the test on your stomach with fingertips behind the starting point and feet together. On command, you will run down to another set of cones, then run back. You will then slalom through a series of cones up and back. After completing the slalom, you will run to the other end, then back. Time will stop after you cross the finish line. You must finish the course without knocking down any cones. The final test administered is called the multi-stage run, or the beep test. Its purpose is to test what is known as the VO2 max, or maximum oxygen uptake. You will start on a designated line and be required to run a distance of 20 meters to another line marked at the other end. An audible signal, or beep, will tell you when to run each time.
Start level 1. Level 1, 2. Level 1, 3.
As the test progresses through a series of levels, the time between the beeps will become shorter.
Level 1.
You'll continue to run from one end to another until you are unable to keep up with the pace of the test. The monitor of the test will signal a warning if you fail to reach the line in time.
Level 5, 4.
You will have to stop if you fail to reach the line for 2 consecutive attempts.
Level 6, 2.
The monitor will announce the level in which you reached before stopping. The applicant needs to remember that level so it can be recorded later. In order to pass the physical ability test required by the Sedgwick County Sheriff's Office, the applicant must complete each test and obtain a minimum cumulative score of 20 points. Scores are based on an individual's age and gender. You are encouraged to practice these tests before your evaluation. They can easily be practiced anywhere without any special equipment. Any questions about the testing can be addressed to the Sedgwick County Sheriff's Office Training Section at 316-660-3800 or online at www.sedgwickcounty.org.